Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
इस महामारी के समय, पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे केयर गिवर्स के ऊपर बहुत ही ज्यादा मेंटल प्रेशर है। फिजिकल तो है ही, बट मेंटल बहुत प्रेशर है। ये एक ऐसी आपदा है जिसमें कि आदमी जो पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स होते हैं उनके पास भी नहीं जा सकता, उनकी मदद भी नहीं कर सकता। बट कंसर्न तो उतना ही है। And stress is an unavoidable part of being a caregiver. मैं तो कहूँगा कि caregiver को सबसे ज़्यादा मुसीबत झेलनी पड़ी इस पैंडेमिक में। केयरगिवर्स को यदि वो अच्छा महसूस करते हैं, स्वस्थ महसूस करते हैं, वो और अच्छी सर्विसेज दे पाएंगे। The first thing in this, the caregivers have to be soft on themselves. Never think you are not doing enough. एक ऐसी भावना आती है कि मैं और क्या कर सकता हूँ, बट मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ you are doing the best you can. And the COVID-19 pandemic is a stressful time that can force us into negative feelings. The first step is to notice when you are being hard on yourself. The next step is to use positive self-talk to give yourself a break from self-criticism. कई बार ऐसी भावनाएं आती हैं कि मैं और क्या करूं, और जो सेल्फ टॉक है वो नेगेटिव होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं, यानी कि पॉजिटिव में। आप अपना कर्तव्य करें, आप कोशिशें जारी रखें, पर नेगेटिविटी मत लेकर आए। Second thing in this is, which I just mentioned, improve sleep. I know it is easier said than done. As a caregiver, sleep is often into short supply and isn't always the best quality. पर मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि ये चीज़ ठीक नहीं है। यदि आप अच्छा सोएंगे, स्वस्थ रहेंगे, तो आपकी केयर गिविंग क्वालिटी विल बी मच बेटर। बहुत सारे लोग ये कहते हैं पिछले 4 दिन से मैं सो नहीं पाया। वो कुछ आपको दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है। यदि मैं कहूँगा आप 8 घंटे एक दिन में सोएंगे तो आप ज़्यादा अच्छी हेल्प कर सकेंगे। Rest is one of the most effective ways to boost your own immune system. Plus, being more rested increases your ability to be patient with your patient. Otherwise, you will be more irritated, frustrated. Meditative music greatly helps in inducing sleep as well. 3. Identify substitutes. Choose someone to take over for you. It's not that 24 hours I'm going to do it and there's nothing harm कि मैं ये देखूं कि मेरे substitute और भाई, बहन, friends और relatives कौन हो सकते हैं. Identify those family members, friends or neighbors that could step in if you are not able to care for the patient if you fall sick too. यदि आप बीमार पड़ गए और घर पे कोई है या नहीं है तो और मुश्किल होगी. 4. Take mini breaks throughout the day. यदि मैं मान लीजिए 12-15 घंटे मैं केयर गिवर हूँ अपने फैमिली मेंबर या पेशेंट के लिए, तो मुझे उसमें हर 1 घंटा और 1.5 आवर के बाद थोड़ी ब्रेक लेनी चाहिए. The most important thing is to find a place where you can be alone. It's not that then you are coming out from the patient's room and then you are explaining or giving a minute-to-minute explanation to your friends or relatives that how past 2 hours your patient behaved. That could be your room where you can be alone for some time, or the bathroom, or the car, a corner of porch or yard, or your front step, or just outside your front door. Just be there and be alone. You will regain energy. Taking tiny breaks throughout the day will improve your physical and emotional health and help you keep going. These much needed breaks relieve stress, keep you focused on important tasks and help you think more clearly. मैं एक ही चीज बोलूंगा, आप अपने ऊपर ज्यादा हार्श मत हो। आपको ना तो दिखाने की जरूरत है, आपको अपनी केयर यदि आप अच्छी करेंगे तो आप पेशेंट को भी अच्छी केयर दे सकेंगे। फिफ्थ, focus on what you can control and limit what if thinking. ये हम लोग के बीच में बहुत होता है, यदि ये हो गया, यदि अब इनको ये ना हो जाए। These days news and social media is scary. Individuals, companies or other organizations might be doing things that you don't agree with, but there is nothing you can do about them. So don't worry about the things that are outside of your control. It will only make you anxious and angry. Instead, let go and focus only on what you can control. For example, you could limit news consumption. मैं बिल्कुल suggest नहीं करूंगा कि आप लोग सोने से पहले रात को आप किसी तरह की ऐसी न्यूज़ देखें जिनसे आपका मेंटल पीस खराब हो। पीछे कुछ न्यूज़ आई थी कि रिवर्स से बॉडीज़ मिल रही हैं और जो संख्या है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। जब आप ऐसी न्यूज़ कंज्यूम करेंगे तो चांसेस हैं कि आपको ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस मिलेगा। 6. Reach out to supportive family and friends. If you will reach out to supportive family and friends and spend some time talking on the phone or have a cup of tea together over a video call. It's never been more important to connect with other people. Everyone's lives may be different, but we were all going through this pandemic together. Rather, I will say we are going through this pandemic together. To connect with fellow caregivers who are in a situation similar to yours, join an online caregiver support group where you can get support 24/7. But here I would like to request you that you have to be very careful that whether this group is giving a authenticated, valid and reliable and scientific information. Many people say you take, different vitamins, you take different herbal things, which may or may not be good. I have no idea, but it should be much more scientific, coming from a authentic source. I think that we should agree and we should practice. 7. Use humor to relieve tension. Give yourself permission to notice and laugh when something is funny. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि यदि घर में माहौल अच्छा नहीं है तो आप हंस भी नहीं सकते। Rather, laughter eases tension and makes life more positive. You could even use social media in a positive way by following accounts with positive, funny memes about life during a pandemic. When you need a mood boost, scroll through and have a good laugh. 8. Play a quick game. Set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. It's not that for hours you are on the game. That also gives you a stress because you may play on a smartphone that may give you further stress.